Viewers, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel where we explore everything commerce. I am Shana Quite help you to make your concepts easier. So today we are studying basic terms of accounting. I mean the basic terminologies or words and meaning of those terms before we start our accounting process or before we dive deep into the problems or the accounting standards and all the things that are carried on in our next chapters. So let's get started. So basic terms of accounting information. Our first term is entity. Entity is nothing but a business enterprise. A business enterprise. When the term entity is used, it only means it's a business enterprise or a business shop, I can say in simple terms. So it can be there are incidences where we use it as accounting entity too. So it only means it's a business enterprise. Next, transactions. Transactions are nothing but events, the cash or credit transactions that happen between two entities, I can say, or maybe where here we can say that purchase or sale of any goods or services. If I am purchasing, that is a transaction. If I am selling something, that is a transaction. So it is nothing but events of businesses. It can be again cash transaction or credit transaction. Cash transaction is nothing but I can say like I am selling something, like I have sold us furniture. In that, if I receive money immediately, then it is a cash transaction. If I'm giving it on credit, where I'll be collecting the amount after 2 or 3 business days, then it will be credit transactions. So next we have is assets. Assets are nothing but economic value a company is holding. A company is holding. Okay, assets are nothing but the value that the company is holding. There are two types of assets again. It is fixed asset and current asset. So fixed assets are nothing but our furnitures, buildings, machineries, all such. These are used in the production and making the business smooth every day. Current assets are those assets which are holded for less than one year time period, and fixed assets are holded for more than 1 year. So fixed assets and current assets. Our current assets can be stock or inventories, cash. Okay, assets are something that the company holds or the company owns. Next is liability. Liability is something where the company is responsible to pay off. So responsibility of the company in simple terms. Again, the liabilities are long-term liabilities and current liabilities. Current liabilities are the liabilities where the company has to fulfill or pay off within less than 1 year, and long-term liabilities where the company can pay or pay off after more than 1 year, which it holds for more than 1 year. Next is capital. So next is capital. As a owner, if I am owner of any business and I am investing any sum of money into the business, that money which is invested by the owner is known as capital. Money invested by owner is known as capital. Money invested by the owner is known as capital. Sales is nothing but transaction, the total revenue that company is earning or business is earning by everyday sales of product or services. So income is nothing but again revenue, the revenue that the company is earning. It might be again commissions, dividends, royalties. So the income So income, the money which is coming into the business by selling of various product and services, or by commissions, dividends, or royalties. So expenses is nothing but where the company is expending, where the money is going out, expenses. Profits is nothing but when our income is more than our expenses. Income is more than expenses, it is known as profit. Whereas loss, where income is less but expenses are more. Income is less and expenses are more, then we are incurring losses. Discounts, we everyone know that there are so many sale or discounts we come across. What is discount? It is deduction on price, right? And then we pay, after deducting the discount, we pay the total amount, right? So discounts is nothing but deduction in price. Vouchers, what are vouchers? It's a document, or I can, in simple terms, I can say bill. Bill is also known as vouchers. It's an evidence of document where we can find all the information of sale. If I'm doing any sale, I'll give out the vouchers having the information of my business, what are the quantity was purchased, what particulars were purchased, what was the total, what was the CGST, SGST, everything will be mentioned. It will be mentioned also amounting words. So voucher is nothing but a document or a bill in simple terms. What is drawings? Drawings in simple terms, it means money when as a owner, if I take some money out from the business, it is known as drawings. The money which is taken by the business owner from the business is known as drawings. So we can also say that when business is lending money to the owner, it is also known as drawing. Now stock is nothing but inventory. The unsold goods that is in the business at a particular point of time is nothing but stock. So next is debtors. Debtors is when you have given debt, or when you have lended money to someone, is known as debtors. And creditor is when someone has lended money to you and you have to pay it out, right? Then that is a creditor. This is our liability and this is our asset, because we will be recovering money. But this is our liability because we have to pay off that money. So creditor is when you owe money to someone, and debtors is when someone owes money to you. These are the different terminologies of accounting, or basic terms of accounting, which I think are very important before we proceed into next chapters. So now we will look into what are the roles of accounting information. So now it's about role of accounting information. Like, role of accounting information means why is this accounting information useful, and how is this information used by the users of accounting information. Firstly, this is a language of business, in the sense that what language of business, in the sense like it is communicating the information to various users of information, right? So because of this, we are understanding how the business is doing. So the accounting information is termed as language of information, language of business. Next is historical records. So since we are maintaining our accounting information, we will have all the up-to-date information, all the historical records. So as and when the transaction is taking place, we record it in our books of accounts. So there's also maintenance of historical records. Next is current economic reality. So by maintaining the accounting information, we also understand what is the current value, where is the current company standing in. So current economic reality information can be obtained. Again, it's an information system. It's an information system of various profits, losses, what are the assets it is owning, what are the liabilities. So information system. Services to users. We have seen how various users are using this information, how up-to-date record can help the information, can help the users of accounting information. It is very useful that the information is transparent, reliable and relevant, so that these users can use the accounting information. So these are the roles of accounting information, like why it is useful and how, in what sense we are using it. So this is it for today's video. If you have any doubt, you can put out in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.